and I would be the person who's calling out what to do. But if I feel a little jerk, I'm gonna be like, hold up now.
No, it's not just a little jerk. Imagine like you driving. I mean, you riding and you got to read all that with all that shaking going on.
Right. That's like a special type of person to do it.
What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we're back with another motorsports reaction.
Yes.
Super excited about this video, guys. If you're new to us and we're new to you, make sure you scroll down, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the post notification bell
because we're on the road to 10K.
And we cannot get there without you guys, all right? Join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yo, is this like one of the best sounds that we have ever heard in life?
Yes, we do love
the sound of a proper, equipped, built motor underneath the hood of a fast car.
For me, it's the adrenaline. Like, what they gonna do? What's gonna happen?
I like all that. That's interesting. This is what Sierra be talking about right here when she talk about some adrenaline. Cause golly,
look at it.
Yeah, I feel you. That ball out of ball, man. I totally forgot about the crashes.
Yeah, me too. That kind of caught me off.
I ain't see the crash coming.
Oikein. 120 oli oikea laita. Pikkuinen.
Yeah, I won't chop it views we don't see a race.
Oikea laita.
We going in the sky.
Lyhytmatella oleva kantos.
That tree was real close. Look at that. What y'all think about that color? That's the loudest one I've seen so far.
That's nice. I love that purple and blue.
Yeah, that's a crazy combo. That's hard. Woo!
We got a 45.
Excuse me, y'all. My voice is working. Let's get together.
Huomio.
Get back on.
Huomio kutosidon on eri kuin
Fast and Furious should have they started up with some real.
I don't like that.
Now, hold on. Whoa. Just for y'all to know, the driver is driving blindly down these tracks while he has somebody on side of him telling him every single turn that's coming up.
That's a hard job. That's
Bro,
a hard job.
that's like really putting your trust in somebody.
Yes, because me, I'll be, y'all know, I'm a writer. I'm not a speaker. So sometimes I'll be speaking,
Yeah.
a little twang, the southern twang, be on top of each other.
Lopulta tirraa lyhyemmän cherry-yliin. Viihtynyt vasemmalle, vasen helpoyli, rappi, oikein täysin inoutunut.
They got like the longest jump. I mean, they at least practice this course at least once, right? Before they get on it. I know, right? Got a lot of questions. Oh, the tumble. 2 times. 3 times. He's driving with no glass.
No protection.
Nothing. So everything is flying in their car.
Dust, rocks, everything.
Mosquitoes, bugs.
Oh Lord.
Man, that's crazy. Like the distance of the jump showed the speed.
50.
He did at least 60
jump.
to 50.
Yeah.
Yo, that's crazy. I just noticed that. First time noticing that. Right.
Wait.
It's a magic trick. That's a crazy turn. Yo, that's a crazy turn.
Turn around.
Get back right.
Nyt tavoitellaan, että heti.
Adrenaline junkies? Mm-hmm. Yeah, are these adrenaline junkies?
You go be in the car. Me, I be like, oh,
I like adrenaline, but I'm not an adrenaline junkie. Like, I ain't about to, I'm skeptical.
It excites you.
Yeah, it don't really excite me.
Nah. For me, it's the co-pilot or co-driver. I forgot what they call them. It's them because, you know, that person the driver has to trust you, and the co-driver, you know, vice versa. I forgot what I said. But y'all understand what I'm talking about. And I would be the person who's calling out what to do. But if I feel a little jerk, I'm going to be like, hold up now.
It's not just a little jerk. Imagine like you driving. I mean, you riding and you got to read all that with all that shaking going on.
Right. That's like a special type of person to do it.
Man, some focus for you. Let's go, Great Blueberry. Got some curves coming.
I love how the market is so far nice shot.
Got some good curves coming. Ooh, there's some sexy roads. She a beast. You gotta be able to handle that. Got some curves coming. Let's go. Let's go. Yo. Even if I can't even get to see the car pass by, as long as I get to hear it.
Pyhäilyvä 3 oikein loiva alussa yli 8.
Keep that angle. Oh, keep that angle. Keep it. Oh, let's go. Keep that angle.
I don't like the dash cam.
So far, none of these cars seem crazy deep, though. I mean, blowing out the windshield. Yo, which family member you think would be the crazy one to get in there? You know we always do that one crazy one.
Let me drive.
That wheel look shaky, it look too loose.
Driving so fast.
Why they need rearview mirrors? Nah, ain't nothing behind you but dust. Let's go do straight.
Vasemmalta jarru viistolta lyhyt oikein, niin nuolet rapikkaset rupeaa koko tolppaan. oikein helppo sisästä. Jatkaa. Lopputulosen helppo.
All right, speed up, speed up. Y'all doing about a good 50.
Yeah, what y'all flags is about to
Yes, I like that. Let's go. Ooh, she's sexy. You gotta go on that curve. You gotta get it. You gotta get it. You gotta ride it. There you go. There you go.
Ja nukiil, otat Dediblus, megabit.
It really does sound like somebody with a long zipper.
Ja panen 6 miinus sinä trampliinilla. Dedille trampliin.
I wanna stop going up.
Lyy ja panen 6 plus trampliin. Stoppiikkeen alla. Ota 3
With your dash cam. Man, what a video game, bro. I need a video game to use my kids. Yo, there we go. That's it. Yo, these be ending
Okay,
way
the
too fast. Who's that? Purple blue?
The yellow car.
Deuce Trey?
You crazy. So this was our first rally reaction in a long
Man,
time.
it was nice.
A long time.
It was good.
But we back on it.
I wish I had my screaming voice, y'all. I can't scream like I want. She was doing all woo. Ah, I couldn't get it out.
We always have fun watching the motorsports. Like
You
that's
did it
our
for me.
thing. That's
You
our
did it
thing.
for me.
Yes, yeah, we're a team. We're a team.
Facts,
Co-pilot.
facts. Co-pilot.
Co-pilot.
I'm driving, you co-pilot?
Yeah, yeah.
You gonna give it to me right?
Woo!
You better miss that tree. You wasn't supposed to even talk about that part.
Why it is slowed down? Cause y'all imagine us.
Helmet suited up, flip the car over to the side. We fussing.
Nah, I couldn't even. I think I could do F1, but rally racing.
Nah, they all got some speed. I don't know. They all got.
think I
Like
could
I
do-
said,
I think I could do.
we can watch a race from the helicopter while they chasing them. We can just watch it from that one.
Oh Lord.
I think that'll be dope. We gonna get the tickets.
Okay, look, y'all see my man planning a date? Have y'all been on a date like that
Man.
before?
Somebody,
Let me know.
I just gave a good idea away.
You did.
Yeah.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video with us. Like this video, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and we'll see you soon.
Peace.